Hello and welcome to SkyTech Academy, a structural software training institute. I welcome to the StatPro Connect basic series. This is the fourth lecture of this series. However, if you want to check out three videos of the same series, you can check out our playlist. Okay, so let's what we do in this lecture. I will discuss about how to change the vertical axis of GCS, which is nothing but Global Coordinate System in the StatPro. If you see by default, always Y is the up in StatPro. If you open any of the edition, whether it is V8i or whether it is Connect edition, you can see Y is the up. And this is what we call is a global axis. If you want to know more about local axis and global axis, you can check out our previous video in which I have discussed about the how to what is local and global axis. But in this video we will focus on how to change the vertical axis of GCS. So for that, first you have to understand what is the by default. By default is Y up. Now what if I want to change the vertical uh, direction of this? So only there is one option available. We can make Z as up. How to do this? For that, just close the close file. When you close this file, you can see this interface would come up. In this interface you have to click on configure. When you click on configure, you can see various options like user interface, base unit, global axis, and others. uh, if you see, there is one option called base unit, and I can select either English or metric. If you want to understand the difference between English and metric unit, you can check out our first video. So what is the difference? What if we select English unit and what if we select metric system? Okay, but here we talk about how to change the vertical axis. For that, if you see, there is in this option there are two options. Either we can make Y as up or we can make Z as up. By default, always Y is up in StatPro in any of the editions. And if I check this option and click on OK, now if I create a new file, can you see now Z is in up direction, and accordingly uh, it is rearranged. But always remember that X axis would always remain same whether Y is up or Z is up. And one more thing, uh, both axes follow right hand thumb rule in terms of result interpretation. So always remember, whether it is Y up or whether it is Z up, it always follows right hand thumb rule in terms of result interpretation. And X direction would always remain in this direction only. So that's it for this lecture, but I do not recommend to change vertical axis of GCS, because we all are practicing and we all are making all our structures keeping Y as up, which is the by default option. So I recommend not to do any changes with GCS, but you must know the option is available. I don't think, I'm not sure what are the practice, general practice in other countries, but in India we always keep Y as up. So if, but you must know how to change the vertical axis of GCS. So that's it for this lecture. I hope you understand, and I request to check out all the other videos which are available in our playlist. From the next lecture, I will teach you how many methods are available to create any structure in StatPro. So there are basically 5 methods. I will upload it, and then you will understand which are the 5 methods. Uh, Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy, stay well, stay connected. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.